Welcome back to my channel MSI Recipes. This is Silnamnesis. Have you ever felt hungry and thirsty at the same time? Then I have a perfect solution for you. Because in today's video I'm going to show you how to make chicken manchow soup which can solve both the problems at once. So let's begin. To make chicken manchow soup, we require 125 gram boneless chicken, finely chopped spring onions 1 bunch, baby corn or sweet corn half cup, finely chopped parsley leaves 2 tablespoons, finely chopped cabbage 3/4 cup, finely chopped capsicum 3/4 cup, finely chopped ginger and garlic 4 tablespoons, finely chopped 2 chilies, red chili sauce 2 tablespoons, tomato sauce 4 tablespoons, soya sauce 1.5 tablespoons, green chili sauce 2 tablespoons, and we also need pepper powder 1 tablespoon, corn flour 3 tablespoons, 1 beaten egg, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon. We also need chicken broth, and to prepare chicken broth add 3 cups of water to chicken. You can use chicken with bones as well. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Oil 1/4 teaspoon and stir well. Cover it with a lid and simmer for 5 minutes. Bring it to boil and strain in a vessel. Chicken broth is ready. Now keep it aside and shred the chicken into small pieces. Now in a non-stick pan, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat for a while and add ginger and garlic. Saute it until it becomes golden brown. Now add in spring onion, add in capsicum and chilies, stir fry for some time. Now I am going to add chicken broth or chicken stock and give it a stir. Now add 1 cup of additional water. Now add in remaining veggies, cabbage, sweet corn. Instead of sweet corn, you can also use mushrooms. Now add in spring onion leaves. Keep some for garnishing later on and give it a nice stir. Now add in all 4 types of sauces. Then add half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon sugar and stir it well. Add 2 tablespoons of warm water to 1 tablespoon cornstarch and mix it well. It helps in thickening of soup. Now let's add shredded chicken and 1 beaten egg along with mixture of cornstarch. Make sure that you mix it well and bring it to boil. Now add in parsley. You can also use coriander. Check for the consistency. Soup must be slightly thick, if not, add little bit of more cornstarch. Now in a half boiled noodles, let's add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix it well. Deep fry noodles until it becomes slightly brown and crispy in consistency. Our soup is ready and you can serve it hot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you haven't done it yet for more delicious recipes. See you next week with a new amazing delicious recipe.